it's your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. I know y'all ain't seen. Look, y'all know what it is. If y'all don't know what it is, watch my video so y'all can learn what it is. Anyway, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this baby right here. So this is the Colugo compact. Y'all, I'm gonna give y'all the story of what happened with with our bags and our stroller and all this other stuff, PCS. And I am so fortunate that we got this, that we ordered this. But that's an angel back. Can y'all see him? He's banging on the bottom. But anyway, I'm so happy that we ordered this, y'all, because it has been a mess. I'm going to give y'all the story, and I'm also going to give y'all my tips on traveling with a toddler, because it ain't easy, okay? It is not easy.
Tired.
So I'm going to go ahead and do this unboxing of this Colugo stroller, show y'all everything that's coming with it, and see how I like it. So stay tuned. y'all, so this is what the stroller is looking like now that it's all together. I was definitely having some trouble getting it together, but now we got it all set. So this is, I'll go ahead and open up these little accessories. This is the rain cover, I want to say. Yeah, I was going to say that this is the rain cover. Yeah, it is the rain cover. I'm not going to take it out, y'all, because we are traveling and I don't want to have to try to get it back in there. But that is the rain cover, and it has these little like straps on it that you can use to hook it onto the stroller. So I'll just put that at the bottom of the carrier real quick. It also came with this cup holder, which is super convenient, but I'm gonna carry my water in, girl. So that goes right here, and that just clicks on like that. So I ain't gonna lie, the stroller feels great compared to all the other strollers that I've had. Y'all know this is my 4th one. This one probably is one of them that feels the nicest as far as like the push, even though this is obviously on solid, like, you know, this is on like hardwood floor or vinyl floors. I will say, so when I'm pulling this back, as y'all can see, it does take a little bit more of a little push than I'm used to, and the canopy does extend out a little bit to about that much. I'm saying all this, and I know y'all can't see my face. I'm gonna back the camera up just a little bit so y'all can see like a little bit of my face. Angel, stop that! So that's what the canopy extends out to. And then also, there's also like a little back brake back here. You guys can't see it right now, but there's a back brake back here. And of course, I'll leave a link to it down below, because it was between this one and the Upper Baby My New. This one was cheaper, but believe it or not, the reason that I ended up getting this one was because of this one part, which was so concerning to me, right? And it's probably like minute to some people, but it was really important to me, and that is this footrest. The Upper Baby My New doesn't come with a footrest. I love the fact that this stroller has this footrest that goes up and down. My son is short, so a footrest is beneficial. I'll do a little bit of a demo. Probably should have put the brake on, but it's okay. I love the fact that it's like magnetic. So obviously his little legs extend past the footrest, but I still think give me that. I still think it's beneficial for when he's like reclined. Okay, so that's him in it. I'll adjust the straps later. Comfortable? Okay. Give me that. Get it out. Get it out your mouth. Disgusting stuff. Yeah. So this is Angel in it. Okay. He's giving you comfortable vibes right now. And we'll drop the footrest. You comfortable? So that's us on the go. I'll recline him and see. That's him reclined. Okay. And we're on the go. Yeah, okay. She's a... Y'all, let's sit you back up. Sit up! Okay, he won't sit up, and I'm not going to try. So, I also want to show y'all, it does come with a backpack. Another thing, the other baby Manu did not come with any of that. I don't believe, it didn't come with a cup holder. It didn't come with a bag or anything like that. This one comes with a little backpack. You can throw it on your back, carry it like this, or you can put it in here and carry it by the handle. So that is super convenient. If you don't know, Colugo is a direct-to-consumer brand, I want to say it's called, so you don't pay all the middleman fees and you still get a quality product. Because I will say the stroller feels damn good. So I haven't used it, obviously, in the real world just yet. So okay. So I can't tell y'all how it's going to be in the real world. However, once I take it out, maybe I'll come back and give y'all a for sure update of what I think. But this is the unboxing. I am going to do one last thing, and that is fold it, because I haven't done that yet. So for the fold, there's a button that you press the button, and then lean down here, and then it just goes in like that, which y'all can't see, but it breaks down like that, and then you latch it on to this hook, and there's a little strap that you can carry it with, or you can carry it by the bar, I'm assuming. To unhook it, you're gonna just unhook that strap, and then, so I've been having trouble with that part, y'all. It's not a fling, it's not a flip or a fling, you know, you kind of gotta put your back into it. Okay, and there we have it. So that is just, this might have made it hard too, but that is just my unboxing of the Hi Colugo compact stroller. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.